Hey everyone, this is Mukesh Otwani once again from learn-automation.com. So guys, this is just going to be a very quick video and you can consider it as a bonus. So this video is all about how you can fix the warning which we get when you start running your Selenium test with Python. Okay, so let me show you what exactly the warning you will be getting and how you are going to fix it. So first of all, when you run your Selenium test, whether you're working with Firefox, Chrome, Edge browser, as you can see in the console window, you will be getting one warning now, right? This warning says executable path has been deprecated. Please pass in service object. So as you can see in our code at line number 3, we are using executable code, right? Executable path, sorry. And what we are doing, we are simply passing the path of the driver that we have downloaded, right? So in the recent version, now this is deprecated. So what they recommend is that they are asking us to use a service class. Okay, now how do we use service class? It's going to be very easy. You just need to import that service class, give your executable path, and simply you need to pass it. So let me show you how. So let's use from Selenium. Then you need to go to WebDriver. So right now what we were doing, we were only importing WebDriver, but now we need to import service, right? Which is nothing but a class. So I will say from selenium.webdriver. Then for which browser? Let's say right now I want to fix this warning for Chrome. So I will select Chrome. But in case if you are working with Edge browser, Firefox, IE and other browsers, please select the respective package. Right now I'm selecting Chrome. Now I just need a service class. So you can see we already have a service here. So I'm going to import a service class, as you can see. So the moment you import this, now you can use service class now. Now, as we have seen in our Python lectures, how do we create objects? So you need to write object name, whatever name you want to write. I will keep it as service as of now, and let me keep ser. Okay, or let's keep service, doesn't matter. And now I will be creating object of service class, and inside this you can pass this executable path. Okay, so if you just open this service class, so what exactly it expects? So service is a class and this is the constructor. So in the constructor it is expecting a executable path. So what I will do, I will simply pass the executable path. So in our case the executable path is this. So I will simply copy and paste it here. That's all. Now once it is done, you just need to make a slight change here. So what I will do, I will simply remove. Okay, and now in order to use this service, now you just need to type service, and you can see we got service here. So this service is the object that we created, but we need to use this service. So in the service we will simply pass the object that we have created, and that's all. Okay, in order to make it little simpler, because both look same, let me make it S only. Okay, so that you can get a clarity what exactly we are doing. So we created object of service class, we have provided the executable path. So now we got this S, and while initializing Chrome, we are telling we are going to use one service called S. That's all. Now when you run your test, you will see that warning will not be available. Okay, so it will simply run your test. It will maximize the window, do the stuff that you have mentioned, and simply it will exit. And you can see this time we are not getting any warning. It's a clean output. Okay, let me quickly show you for others as well, so that you will get idea. We were getting the same thing for others, right? Edge browser, IE browser. So let me try for Edge, because we just completed the Edge browser. So for Edge, as I told, for each browser you need to start their service, right? So for, if you just go back to Chrome, we use selenium.webdriver.chrome, but this time we will say selenium.webdriver, and this time we are going to use Edge. For Edge also we have a service, so I will simply import again service class, and as usual I will create object of service class, and here I will provide the executable path. So this was the executable path, and that's all. While invoking Edge browser, again I will say services equal to S, and S is nothing but the object that we created of service class. And if you open service class, we are just providing executable path here. So it is going to create a new instance of the Edge driver service, and that's all. So let's go and simply run this, and you will see a clean output once again with all the details. So in this test we are not maximizing, so it's not maximizing our browser. It will simply go and print the title and URL, but no deprecated warning. Yes, so that's very quick video but very useful, because sometimes these warnings are very annoying, and when you run your test in CI/CD, so this unnecessary warning might confuse you in the long run. So in case if you're new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe this channel, and if you found this video helpful, then please share with your friends, and let me know if you have any question in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.